Yo, what up YouTube world? And today I'm not coming at you with a review. This time my best friend is coming at you with a comedy skit. So enjoy. You're on the air.
What?
You're on the air.
For that, wait, what do you mean? Oh!
Yeah.
Wait, you mean for the YouTube facts? I mean, for the viewers? Oh yeah, man. Whew, I feel kind of weird. Like it's kind of really weird that the whole world is trying to pay all this dumb gay, all this attention to just a little kid. I mean, come on now. I am only 6 years old. What the? I mean, what do y'all want? Or something? Dang, how did to deserve this? That literally, oh mercy, because hurt. I'm harder right now. Ooh, that's my eggs. Ooh, that's more like syrup. Lord. Huh? Yeah? God dang it. Hey, what the? Hey, Sabron!
We're losing them.
Guilty!
We're losing them. Come on.
Wait, what?
We're losing them.
Hanging up?
No, we're losing them.
Oh. Wait, you mean like act?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. Willy-nilly. I should have said so. You know what? I can't stand. You know what, guys? If you guys are gay, I feel really bad for you. I mean, to me, I feel that gay people can't get up or can't get no that they're gay. I mean, come on now. Who enjoys sleeping with the same sex, getting humped by your own, or I mean, come on now. God made Adam and Eve for a reason. Not just jack off with everybody and it's act like it's some we're having fun. I mean, come on now. 2 words: fruit loop, fruit loop, fruit loop, fruit loop.
Alright. And I guess that's it for the comedy skit. So, hope you guys enjoyed it, and peace.